Okay, so today we'll be changing the cabin air filter on our 2015 Honda Accord. This applies 2015 through 2017, all Accord models. So the only thing you'll need is your hands and your filter. So this is the C35519 filter, and we gotta change the air filter. So this one's pretty simple. Just gonna open the glove box. This tab here, push down, lift up, and there's that right there, and also over there as well. Just push it in more. Just put it in. Push it in. Same thing on the other side, and it'll fall down. And this is simple here. There's a tab here. Take it out. Same thing on this side. Lift it out. Take it out. And this one, it actually marks the airflow, so it's actually going down. So you just bring it out, and there's the filter. So, and we'll just go for the new one. I'll just replace it with the new one. You do all that in reverse, and you're pretty much it. Save money, do it yourself, and don't go to the dealership. Well, go to the dealership, but if you feel like you can do it yourself, do it yourself. All right. Till next video. Like, comment, subscribe.